Cannot walk, huh? Must walk, right? Cannot go in the car, right?
Yeah.
It's so terrible. I want to go into the car. They say, oh, no, you cannot go in the car. You have to go and walk there. You understand? Hello. They don't even allow you to take any pictures. They think it's really crap. Kind of stupid kind of things. Oh, I'm not taking photograph. I'm talking on my phone. And then they are saying that they want to do the whole thing and then have to say the whole thing, and then they move out, move there, and then they do. I just don't know what to do else anymore. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, I'll see you.